This is where the kitchen sink will be installed, but now there is no hole cut. Let's do it here. In the modeling panel, find the Try Model tab. Activate the Try Add tool. Now with the Ctrl key pressed, select the triangles on the surface to be deleted. Click Delete on the panel on the left. Accept to apply the changes. Now let's look at ways to merge model elements to a single mesh. First way, I will choose all elements of this sofa. Actor. Merge actors. Merge. Next, you need to specify the folder where the new asset will be saved. Create a new folder. Save asset. Find a new asset in the content drawer. Place the created asset in the scene. Now it's a single mesh. I'll try to apply a material to one of the elements of the asset. Material was applied to all elements at once. Unreal Engine left one material for all elements of the asset. But the model has different materials. In this case, this way doesn't work. I'll try one more. Delete the asset. Activate modeling mode. Create tab. Merge. Leave all options by default. Again, the object began to have only one material. Cancel the action and once again select all the elements. Actor. Convert actors to static mesh. Choose the folder where the new asset will be saved. Put it on the scene. You can see problems with inverted normals. This is easy to fix. Look, now the asset has multiple materials. You can apply different materials to asset elements. In Modeling mode, on the Attributes tab, click Normals. Next, check the Fix Incorrect Normals checkbox. Now the normals are fixed. Accept to save changes. Try to apply the material. Everything works great. I can apply a material to different elements of the model. For convenience, give a new name to the asset. You can now delete the old model and replace it with a new asset. I'll also convert the chair. Go to the interior and transform all the furniture into a single mesh. First, chairs. Next, dishes on the table. Here you can see that the pivot of the coordinate system is offset from the object. This needs to be fixed. In Modeling mode, find tab Transform. Pivot. Then Center. The coordinate system has moved to the center of the object. Accept to apply the changes. Now with the Alt key pressed, move the objects to create instance copies of the asset. Place them on the table. Next, copy it to the opposite side. Need to mirror it. Click with the right mouse button. Transform. Mirror X. Let's save the scene. File, Save All. Sometimes when you save a project, this window may appear. It offers to save the new level. If you just close this window, then the changes in the project may not be saved. If you save a new level, then each time there will be more and more of them. The solution of this problem is selective saving. Close the window and go to the lower right corner. Unsaved changes are displayed here. In this list, uncheck all items with the name main auto. Click Save Selected. Ready. Keep combining objects into single mesh. Bar Stool. Kitchen sink. Kitchen cabinet. I will merge it to create a mirror copy of the right side. Now furniture in the living room. Floor lamp. Chandeliers. Bedroom furniture. The armchair in the bedroom has also a problem with the flip normals. Let's solve it the same way. Plumbing in the bathroom. Combine clothes with coat hangers. Now I will merge the cabinets in closet to copy them to the opposite side. Fix the normals. Copy and mirror along the y-axis. Don't forget the ceiling plinth. All assets are ready.